Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. If you are first time viewer on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updates and topics from the Oracle Fusion. Let's start. So in today's demo, we are going to cover if there is a need or there is a requirement in your business that business want to generate predefined serial number rather than having the purchase receipt label all those serial number generation. So how to achieve it in Fusion? Let's begin. To achieve it in Fusion, you have to set it up item label attribute. So first we'll go to the product management. Under product management, you have to go to the product information management. So we'll create one new item and we'll see how to generate the predefined serial number for the particular item. So I will select my master organization. I selected my master organization. I will select my item class. I will select my template and then I will click on OK. We'll put the name and I will put the discount serial control item. Okay. I will put the status as active and production. So I will set this as a production. Let me search it. Yeah. So I set it up lifecycle phase as production. I will set the unit of measure for the item. Once you're done, if you have, you can enter the long description. So in upcoming release, we'll talk about more how to create item class. So keep watching. Now at the item label, you have to go to the inventory. Under the inventory, you have the serial. Under serial, under the generation label, you have to define as predefined serial number. You have to set the attribute value as a predefined serial number. Now you have to enter the starting number as well as the prefix. So I am setting up prefix name as a pre for our demo, and then a starting number, I set it up. It will start from this one. Okay, so I set the starting number. Now, after setting up this attribute, so these three things are mandatory at the item level, and you must define if there's a need to generate the serial number at the item level as a predefined. Now I will do the association with my inventory org. So let me click on edit and I will search my inventory organization. Let me select both and click on apply, click on done and save and close. So I have created one new item. I have set it up attribute at the item label. Now I will go to the schedule process and we'll see generate the serial number. So you have to click on the tools under schedule process. You have to click on the schedule new process and you have to enter generate serial. Once you click on generate serial percent, the ESS job name called generate serial numbers. Under generate serial numbers, you have to enter all these three mandatory parameter. So first one is your organization. So I set it up the organization because I have created the item and I have to enter my item. So let me enter my item. I start and created with the 7. Now quantity. So you have to provide the quantity, that how much quantity you want to generate the serial number. So let me enter 1000 quantity and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you have to refresh the SS job and wait that program to complete. Now you can see it's ready and now it's running, and let's wait for a while and we'll see. Yeah, now you can see the status succeeded. Now if you go to the attachment, click on more. Under this attachment you have two output, one is log and one is text. So if you click on the text and open it, you can see we have entered the parameter. So system displaying all those parameters, and we have entered the 1000 quantity. Now you can see number, the execution summary, number of serial numbers generated 1000, starting serial numbers starting with pre, that prefix we have set at the item level, and the starting serial number and the ending serial number with the 999. So this is how you can achieve this requirement within Oracle Fusion Cloud. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.